Okay, so you're coming from holidays and your shade is down. And what happened here is that this little thing came off the window, and that's because we have this fancy channel here that prevents the mentioned thing to have the proper mount that goes beyond, right? And here we can't put it because there's no space. So I used double-sided tape and it lasted like 2 years, and now we need to do a more permanent solution. Okay, it seems that the more permanent solution means replacing this thing with something that will have another part down here that will grab the window frame. So we need to take the some measuring tool and check what dimensions do we need. This thing sits here and locks this other part that you can see down there. Whoops. See, there's the second part of the clip that won't fit here at this end, but we'll find a way. So here we have 16.7 mils of space, and this up, it should be 21 millimeters long. So this is the shape that we need to design and print out with this one added part. Here there's 2 bumps that help the other part same place, and we'll add them, but basically we'll just design this basic shape and extrude it. And yes, and now we have what we wanted. So we have a fully constrained sketch, which means that nothing is moving, all the dimensions are known, and we're good to go. So let's go to the part, and let's extrude these by 16 mils and see what do we have. So now we have this little dongle here, and we have a fully constrained sketch, which is cool. And now what do we need to do? We need to go to the part and extrude also these 2 gentlemen. So let's make it 0.2. Okay, ding, and you can see that we have just 2 little bumps over here. So we can import our shade mount STL file. Here it comes. Yep, let's have a look at it. And as you remember, it's roughly 1.2 mils. Prepare to print. And yep, as expected, we have 3 lines. And our bumps will show up here, as you can see. Okay, so looks like we are done in actually 10 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay, so here we have our dinghy printed out with the bumps. So just to compare, let me grab the original piece. Here. Yep, maybe these. So this is the original thing. There's the new one. So let's see if it fits. So it's snapped super tight, because I think these 3.2 mils were not enough, but it fits, and you can see this. You can't see it. Okay, so these bumps are actually in place. So let's see if it works. Okay, so let's try to snap it on. And as you can see, it seems to fit right. And it's a little bit too much contrast. Let's see if the window closes. Yeah, it does. I don't think if there's much space, probably not that much, but it's enough to make it stick. So now we need a piece of the double-sided tape and we are good to go. Here it is mounted, and as you can see, working. Yeah, the light is coming. I will blind it so we can still see. It's not the best color, but I hope it will stay longer. We'll see how it deals with the temperature. It's printed out of PLA, so I may need to redo it with PETG or nylon. And here we can see a scrub of double-sided tape, just a piece, because it just keeps from moving it left or right, because the actual weight of the thing is held by the shape, by this clamp shape of this mount. Thank you.